Hi, Stuart Barton here, and this is video 5 in this series of rhythm guitar videos. In this video, we're going to look at intervals. Now, what we mean here is to play typically two notes separated by some distance. That's what the word interval means. And the distance is obviously a musical distance within a key. This is particularly useful if I'm playing an open chord, such as A. Now, an interval known as a third, as with previous videos, if you don't know what a third is, don't worry too much, just follow what I'm doing and hopefully it will make some sense. A third is this interval. So that is the distance between the note on the G string and the note on the B string within this chord. Now, just as you can play a major scale up the neck on one string, so too can you do that with two notes. And so what I'm doing there is I'm playing the A major scale in thirds. Now you have access to those that little sequence of thirds when you're playing rhythm guitar. So for example, if I just work on the first few, so here we have this third, which is known as a major third, both on the same fret. Then the next one is here, fret 4 and 3, and then 6 and 5. These are known as minor thirds. So here's my A, and you could use them like this. And that's quite a nice way to decorate your chord instead of just playing a single A all the time. If you're playing a bar chord, again, I'm just dropping into these. If you haven't learned this sequence, just try these two shapes and hopefully your ear will tell you which is the appropriate one for the chord. Another chord you can do it on is open E. It's very convenient. This time I would probably use the thirds on the middle two strings. So this is what the pattern would look like. Again, you don't have to use all of it. You could use it in this way. And I should just point out, I'm actually muting the A string because that would be a bad note if I included it. So and you could also use the third on these two strings. Another interval you can use is sixths. Sixths are very nearly the same as thirds. They're the same two notes but upside down. Again, if that doesn't make any sense, don't worry, it will become clear in the future. So if I'm playing an A again, this is a sixth. In fact, let's relate it to the bar chord. Here's an A bar chord. Here are your two notes. They form a sixth. You can again play up the scale using sixths. And that can be an equally valid way of decorating your rhythm guitar part. So you might go, by the way, here I'm using the open A string just for convenience. And that works fine. Over a D, well, here's your D bar chord. You can use the same pattern. Over an E. So again, we're not having to get deep into theory here. Ideally, you want to learn how all this hangs together, but at the very least, you can try out some of these patterns that I'm showing you and just get them into your playing, particularly with these open chords where it's a little bit easier leaving the open bass string ringing. As usual, I hope you found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. See you in the next video.